Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, December 19th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart. On this chart, we can clearly see that recently we got the swing high and yearly high at the level of 44,750, and since then the market went a little bit lower. Let's find out a little bit more about this current situation. So as you can see, this movement here to the downside looks corrective in nature. This movement was already, let me just take the tool so I can tell you that that was a few percent, at least 10 I guess. There you go, 10.19% down. So this is a very nice pullback, if not a part of the correction or the full correction. So we know that the market is down 10%. Right now we just bounced up nicely to the upside. So what we can do is, of course, we can place this kind of a trend line here without any problems, and we can have like a breakout to the upside on a daily time frame chart. The local technical support levels are located at 40,190. So that's the first technical support, and the technical support is of course the yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was made at 40,600 tethers. So this is pretty nice zone. This is pretty nice looking zone for the bulls in order to keep an eye on, because it looks like this zone might provide very nice technical support. The market recognizes it. The market wants this zone to be fully recognizable by the other market participants as well. That's cool. The other technical support, which was tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times, is 38,320, and that's another very strong technical support. So as long as we trade above this level, 38,320, the outlook remains bullish. So with this breakout, can we witness the uptrend resumption? Maybe. I'm not saying no, but it doesn't look to be very strong at the moment. However, this movement to the downside looks like the ABC pattern. So just a one last zoom in. ABC pattern, which is a running correction. So it's a running flat, to be honest. So you got the wave A, wave B, wave C, and the market is ready to move higher. So this running correction, ABC running flat correction, is very typical during the time when the correction is being made in a hurry, very fast. Just a wave A to the downside, just a slight wave B. Wave C normally should go somewhere here, but it's a running flat, so it goes way lower. And let's just resume the uptrend. So if it is so, we will find out when. Well, we need to break above eventually 44,750. Only a new swing high will confirm running flat ABC correction and then movement to the upside. Let's just take a look at one more thing. RSI, where are we on this indicator? So we bounced from the level of 53, very nice. That means we went down from the extremely overbought market conditions towards the level of the 53 points, which is the neutral level, and the market might be ready to move higher because the momentum is right now at the level of 60 points basically. So it's strong, it's positive, and the bulls are still in charge of this market. Now, last indicator would be, of course, the moving average. We got the channel, and the channel provides the support here, and here again. Very nice support from the moving averages 20 and 20, and the last one would be the cross of the moving averages. So we will just apply a slightly longer moving averages, so that would be 100 and 200, and as you can see, After the golden cross or bullish cross, we are way above this moving averages and the outlook remains bullish. This distance between 100 and 200 moving average is getting wider, so it is increasing, and that's good as well for the bullish outlook for the Bitcoin. So if this is ABC running flat, we should be prepared for another high in Bitcoin to Tether. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.